I I can't get over, man. Every time I look at this car, it just blows my mind, man. Wow, it looks so good. What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Hope you had a fantastic Christmas, and we're back to work. Today, I've got a really exciting video. Personally, this is something that I have wanted for a very long time. I'm not really too sure how I haven't acquired one by now, but I am looking at this brand new tool for the shop, and it's gonna be an absolute revolutionary game changer, especially for what we're doing, man. With all the restoration work, all of the restore work of parts, and it's just gonna be an absolute great addition to the fleet, and I'm sure it's gonna see a lot of runtime. Those that follow me on Instagram would already know what it is, but here we go, man. I'm excited to try this out. We're gonna put some time on it today, figure it out, see how it works. I got all the assembly done yesterday. This is actually a Christmas gift from my parents, so a huge shout out to them. This is gonna be a massive part for the business, and hopefully it's gonna help make me a bunch of money. So that's kind of the goal here, and start offering this service and stuff like that here at the shop. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we're working with here, and we're gonna put it to use. Yes, man, this is great. What a nice unit. This is a proper unit, man. It took me a good 3 hours to build, to be fair. Thanks to my dad for helping me out a bit. This is a great entry-level machine. I believe way better than the Harbor Freight unit. This thing is solid as a rock. It came in, it's not even bolted down to anything, and I can't, it is solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're just gonna get to work, man. I have a couple pieces here that we're gonna try and mess around with. I also wanna try and mess around and do a couple parts here. Maybe we'll do the front timing cover and maybe the center cover as well. So excited to get these restored. This is gonna be a great transformation. Look at the state. Look at the state. This poor GTR, man, it was living a rough life. I like the transition of colors. We've just got the OEM black. Then it seems we went, let's see, did we go blue or silver? We went blue, then silver, then red. And I don't think they actually took the covers off at all for any of the spraying. So shout out to them, man. That's quality work. All right, here's our first culprit. First time using this thing. I've actually never fired this up yet. So we got our air intake here. I just put a little water thing on it for now, a little moisture reduction situation. I'm gonna go ahead and get my air compressor set to about 90 PSI. And I think we should be good to go ahead and test this thing out. Like I said, I cannot wait to start offering the service at Mally Motor Works. If you guys need anything sandblasted, powder coated, painted, happy to supply, man. Let me know. Also, to be fair, I don't know if these things are even rated for 90 pounds. These little things. I guess we're gonna find out. We're gonna learn today. Let's get to it, dude. This is so awesome for me. I don't know why. I've never had a blaster like this. I've always been using little handheld portable ones. I'm sure maybe you guys have seen me use it in the past, for blasting some of the GTR parts, but man, it takes forever, and you blow through sand because you don't reuse it. It just gets blasted out into the world. So let's just get to it, dude. Yes, pumped, dude. Oh. Oh my God, man. Holy crap. Look at this. That's some suction right there, dude. With the door closed, look at what it's doing with my gloves. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen, dude. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Hang on. Do I need to reduce the amount of... Oh! I almost broke the damn thing. I closed the suction instead of opened it. Holy crap, I almost just blew this thing up. Woo! All right, side note, leave that fully open. We've learned. Crap. Kind of crazy, dude. Say hello to my little friend. That was there. It's almost cheating. It's almost cheating. Let me show you. That's actually cheating. This is a cheat code. This is an actual cheat code. Blast it for all of 2 seconds. Look at this. Come on. You cannot, dude. Let me show you guys the compressor I'm working with, yeah? Don't mind the mess. This is the box from that whole situation. Came in 2 boxes. It's a serious unit. Here we have my compressor. This is just one of the, literally from Harbor Freight, 29-gallon McGraw. It is belt driven, so that's a positive. Decent sized motor on it. Let's give it a shot now. Let's keep on blasting this thing and Man, I should be done with this in like a couple minutes. This is incredible. Dude, sanding that too, oh, sorry, I'm having a moment. This is huge for me. This is huge for me. Dude, come on. That is way too easy, bro. Just want to state the obvious, right? Wear a mask when you're doing this. Don't breathe into dust. You get the deal, right? And this is not silicone sandblast sand or media. I know some of you guys may be curious about that. That stuff is like super, super harmful. This is, I think, like a coal-based. Let's see, I got this just like from Tractor Supply. This stuff right here just says coal slag. But just checking it out, we're still not done. But I figured I'd kind of show you guys how we're looking here. Absolutely insane so far. Obviously, you can see where it started. Got a couple of spots to touch up in here still, but dude, incredible. So here's a problem I'm now experiencing. I'm getting zapped like crazy. So many static shocks. So quick and easy fix for this is to ground the gun to the cabinet. Okay, pretty messy, I know. I just want to see if it works, first of all. And then we'll go ahead and tidy it up. But yeah, hopefully that stops me from getting zapped, man, because that's just annoying at this point. It's happened like 15 times, and I've been doing this for like 10 minutes. Mate, look at this. Mate, this is great. Woo! I mean, it almost looks like it's painted in like this crazy silver, right? Went ahead and just tossed some plastic wrap just to kind of keep the moisture out, keep it sealed up. We'll put it in storage for now until we're ready to get things powder coated, but we're just gonna keep on making moves with the sandblaster and just keep on making progress, man. That's what it's all about. So moving on, I am going to start messing with my valve covers. I just want to find some stuff to blast and see what would be cool and fun to do. So we're just going to start messing with these. I just went ahead and removed the baffle on the inside. Obviously, if you guys are powder coating or getting yours powder coated, if you're taking to a shop apart from me, make sure you have them do this. If they don't do this, you're gonna have massive issues. There will be sand and media all trapped on the inside of your covers, and you will blow your motor. So at that point, it's just a ticking time bomb. So be careful about that. But like I said, guys, I am very happy to offer this service here, man. If you guys want anything done, please let me know. Jeez Louise. Tell you what, guys, these have got to be the worst RB26 valve covers I have ever seen, dude. Like, what is going on? Bro, what are they even Jeez, karma right there. What were they even thinking? What were you thinking? What are they doing? Who did this? Who even did this? Who did this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy, dude. Look at the quality. Look at the quality. Nice. Phenomenal, man. Phenomenal. Look at this. Brand new. Incredible. All right, guys, good morning. The next day. Couple things. First of all, the little wire that I made to take away the static, definitely a big help. I was no longer getting shocked, so definitely try that out if you guys are having that problem on your own machine, but worked out great for me. I gotta say, man, having this machine here has absolutely changed the game. So if you guys are watching still and you need anything sandblasted, powder coated, painted, valve covers, brakes, whatever it is, wheels, you let me know, please. I would really appreciate the you guys just let me know. I would really appreciate the business. You'd help your boy out, help a small business out, and keep us growing. So reach out to me. I have my email down below, or you can reach out on Instagram. Yeah, man, I'm just super excited. I want to show you guys really quick how this valve cover came out. Dude. Oh, it's so good. So like I said, using that coal slag, some of you guys may think that might be a little bit too abrasive, but actually it's a really nice finish. Really quick, I just want to give a huge shout out to one of my friends and watchers and supporters of the channel. He may be watching this video right now. Huge shout out to Dave, man. Thank you so much for stopping by last night. He saw me post a story on Instagram about how I was using a $20 paint gun to paint the interior of the GTR. And man, the guy surprised me big time with this awesome gun. So huge shout out to you, man. It's pretty awesome, bro. That's it's really cool. So can't wait to put that thing to use. I've already read the reviews on it and people are loving it. So it's gonna be used to paint the exterior of the GTR. And I can assure you guys it's gonna give us a beautiful finish right off the gun. So can't wait for that. Thanks again, man. So more into this a little bit later, but moving on, this is exciting. This is exciting. I find this very exciting. You know, I just threw this stuff on here just because now I kind of want to get the doors back on. I want to get the fender back on and do everything as far as body alignment. That way we just know everything's good to go before we get everything all nice and painted up and shiny, and we don't want to scratch anything up, right? So this is just thrown on here. Nothing is bolted up. Like, this is all, you know, nothing is literally, you know what I'm saying? But how exciting is this? Oh, hang on, we were missing something. We're missing something. Hold on. Don't mind the dust, man. Holy crap. Damn it. Nice. Don't worry, guys. I've got a brand new OEM badge that I unfortunately had to pay like $400 for years back. Unbelievable. So in the next video, you guys are going to be able to see this thing kind of come together before paint a little bit, get everything all dialed in, put the doors back on, get the front fenders back on. Also probably work a little bit in the background on getting these new wheel arches installed, because I've just been waiting for a couple stuff. And I've been taking it a little bit easy the last couple days, obviously, you know, Christmas and whatnot. It's understandable, right? But I'm really excited to continue to make moves on this car because I feel like we've been making some really good progress over the past few months, and I want to keep that up. It's just, I mean, just looking at that car with the wing on, oh man, and just seeing it already. I mean, bro, this is right here. This is a look right here. This is an angle to me. Interior painted. We got primer on the exterior. Undercoating done. Wing is on. It's just a big moment, man. This is just a big moment for me. And mate, that looks so good. Wow. Stoked, man. Stoked. You know. Wow. It's crazy, dude. What a journey. Shout out to those that hopped in the live stream with me last night. We were just messing around with the sandblaster, getting some parts done, so that was a good time. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. And with all that being said, man, this is a great video, I thought. Just kind of a chill one to get back into the swing of things after the holidays. Great to have tools that can help make you money, so I'm really excited to have this thing in here. And like I said, if you guys need anything done, please reach out. We'd really appreciate it. But man, that view is just not getting old, man. So with all that being said, let's close it out. Just wanted to kind of end this video on a high note, getting the rear end together. Just a bit of an extra motivator, right? It's always great to see this thing come together a little bit, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's been a long journey, man. We started from the bottom, man. Look at us now. We're here, dude. It's crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys very, very soon for the next upload. We got some exciting stuff brewing up in the back, man. A lot of work coming up. I'll see you guys all then. Later, guys.